Are you on the hunt for ways to purify your body and enhance your skin health? Look no further. Here are 3 detox juice recipes specifically designed to promote healthy skin and digestion. First up, we have the Herbal Green Detox Juice. This concoction requires 1 cucumber, 2 green apples, 4 stalks of celery, half a bunch of spinach, a quarter bunch each of cilantro and basil, a 1-inch piece of ginger, and the juice of 1 lemon. This juice is a chlorophyll powerhouse thanks to the leafy greens, which assist in detoxification and skin health improvement. The cucumber and celery provide hydration, while the ginger and lemon give your digestion and metabolism a little kick. Next, we introduce the Berry Beet Detox Juice. This vibrant blend contains 2 red beets, 6 leaves of purple kale, half a purple cabbage, juice of 1 lime, and a cup of fresh mixed berries. Beets and purple cabbage are known for their powerful detoxification properties and liver cleansing effects. The berries bring along antioxidants, fantastic for skin health, and kale, the superfood, is packed with vitamins and minerals to support your overall health. Last but not least, let's welcome the Morning Glow Juice. For this, you'll need 4 carrots, 2 oranges, a 1-inch piece of turmeric root, a 1-inch piece of ginger, and the juice of half a lemon. Carrots and oranges, rich in vitamin C and beta-carotene, promote radiant skin. Turmeric and ginger, both boasting anti-inflammatory properties, assist in digestion and give your immune system a boost. To prepare these juices, ensure all ingredients are thoroughly washed. Peel or cut away any non-edible skins or seeds. Juice all ingredients, and for the best taste and nutritional benefits, consume immediately after preparation. These juices offer several health benefits. They can improve skin health with antioxidants and vitamins that help clear the skin and give it a healthy glow. They enhance digestion, with ingredients like ginger and lemon naturally stimulating digestive enzymes, aiding in better digestion and nutrient absorption. And they support the body's natural detox processes, especially in the liver, leading to improved energy and overall well-being. Remember, while detox juices can complement a healthy lifestyle, they should not replace whole foods or balanced meals. If you're considering a dietary change, especially if you have health conditions or are on medication, it's always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional. So why wait? Start your detox journey today and let your inner radiance shine through.